Broccoli sprouts might look small, but inside them lives one of the most powerful natural compounds ever discovered, sulforaphane. This single molecule has been researched more than 2,000 times, with over 30 human clinical trials. Why? Because sulforaphane helps your body defend itself from inflammation, aging, and even abnormal cell changes. Today, I'll show you why broccoli sprouts are so special, what sulforaphane does inside your body, and how to easily grow and eat them for maximum benefit. Stay to the end for a 7-day plan you can start tonight. Most people deal with fatigue, joint pain, slow metabolism, or stubborn weight gain without realizing what's happening underneath. It's inflammation and oxidative stress. These are the sparks that lead to heart disease, diabetes, brain fog, and early aging. Here's the good news. Your body already has a built-in repair system to handle it. It's controlled by a master switch called NRF2, and sulforaphane is the key that flips that switch on. When NRF2 activates, your cells start producing their own antioxidants like glutathione and catalase that neutralize damage before it causes problems. Think of it as upgrading your body's self-repair software. Sulforaphane isn't a vitamin, mineral, or protein. It's a phytonutrient, a plant compound released when cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, kale, cabbage, or radish are chopped, chewed, or lightly cooked. But the richest source on the planet isn't mature broccoli, it's the broccoli sprout. A tiny sprout just a few days old can have 10 to 100 times more sulforaphane than the full-grown vegetable. That means a handful of sprouts gives you what several cups of broccoli would. Before we go deeper, do me a quick favor. If you're finding this interesting so far, hit the subscribe button. It tells YouTube that you care about real science-backed health videos, not quick gimmicks. And in the comments below, let me know where you're watching from. I love seeing this community grow across the world. Sprouts are baby plants between day 2 and day 5 of life when they're defending themselves the most, packing protective compounds at sky-high levels. By day 7 to 14, as they become microgreens, those compounds peak. After that, they start to taper off. That's why scientists call this early window the nutrient explosion stage. It's where sulforaphane content can be up to 100x higher than adult broccoli. So, what does sulforaphane actually do? Here's what research keeps showing. Calms chronic inflammation by turning on NRF2 and turning down NF-κB, the inflammation signal, supports liver detox by helping remove pollutants and heavy metals, protects the brain from oxidative stress studied in Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, improves blood sugar control by supporting insulin sensitivity, protects the heart by improving blood vessel flexibility, fights harmful microbes, including H. pylori in the stomach, supports healthy cell function, helping prevent mutation and DNA damage. Here's the short science. When sulforaphane enters your cells, it binds to a sensor called KEAP1, freeing NRF2. NRF2 travels into the cell nucleus and activates over 200 protective genes. Those genes boost your body's ability to detox, repair, and defend itself. It's not adding antioxidants from the outside, it's making your body create them from the inside. That's why sulforaphane stands out from supplements or pills. It triggers your own built-in defense system. The average person eats less than 2 cups of vegetables a day and almost 0 sprouts. Meanwhile, processed grains and junk foods dominate diets loaded with anti-nutrients that block minerals like zinc, calcium, and iron. Sprouts and microgreens, on the other hand, are naturally low in anti-nutrients and loaded with vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients. So, even a small handful gives you big returns, easier digestion, stronger detox, and better cellular defense. A seed is a storage capsule, a sprout is alive and metabolically active, an adult vegetable is large and fibrous but less concentrated in protective molecules. That's why the sprout stage, especially broccoli, gives you the best ratio of nutrition per gram. Johns Hopkins researchers tried to patent sulforaphane extracts because the results were so promising, but they couldn't own nature. The fact that they tried tells you how serious the data is, and now you can access that same compound naturally with nothing more than a jar, water, and seeds. 2 simple kitchen hacks can multiply sulforaphane in your meals. Hack W1, mustard seed powder on cooked broccoli. Cooking destroys the enzyme that creates sulforaphane. Add 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seed powder after cooking to reactivate it. This one move can quadruple sulforaphane levels. Hack number 2, warm water activation for sprouts. A short rinse in 158° 70° Celsius water for 10 minutes increases sulforaphane availability. Warm, not boiling. Cool before eating, that's it. Start with 1/4 to 1/2 cup of sprouts a day, 3 to 4 days per week. Many people report better energy, reduced bloating, and clearer focus after a few consistent weeks. It's small, easy, and powerful. Forget $10 grocery boxes, grow your own for pennies. Here's how. 1. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of broccoli sprouting seeds to a clean quart jar. 1. Cover with a mesh or breathable lid. 1. Soak overnight, about 6 to 8 hours. 1. Twice a day, rinse and drain completely. Keep the jar tilted downward so water runs off. 1. Give it indirect light, not full sun. 1. By day 5 or 6, your jar is full of edible sprouts. 1. Rinse one final time, drain, and store in the fridge for up to 5 days. Done. Fresh sulforaphane at home. If you prefer crunch, try microgreens. Scatter seeds in a shallow tray with soil or cocoa coir, mist daily, and harvest after 10-14 days. Many growers report soil-grown greens taste better and carry beneficial microbes that protect against contamination. Whichever you choose, the rule is simple. Keep everything clean. Per 100 grams, broccoli microgreens deliver 4.4 gram carbs, 2.2 gram fiber, 2.2 green protein, 298 millimeter potassium, 66 milligram magnesium, 88 milligram calcium, plus folate, zinc, and other trace minerals. Low calorie, high value, big results. I grow sprouts every week. It's so easy. I wish I'd started sooner. My 12-year-old dog eats a spoonful daily and still runs like a puppy. I used to feel foggy after meals. Now my energy's steady. After 2 weeks, my skin looked clearer and my joints felt better. A 1-pound bag of seeds lasts for months. That's hundreds of servings for the price of 2 store boxes. Safety basics. Use seeds labeled for sprouting. Rinse and drain twice daily. Wash jars and lids between batches. Store finished sprouts in a ventilated container in the fridge. If it smells off, throw it out. When in doubt, toss it out. Add sprouts to a smoothie with lemon and ginger. Top scrambled eggs or avocado toast. Sprinkle on soups after cooking. Mix into salads or wraps for a peppery bite. Simple, flexible, and fast. Here's your 7-day challenge. Day 1. Order broccoli sprouting seeds in a jar lid. Day 2. Soak seeds overnight. Days 3 to 6. Rinse and drain morning and evening. Day 5 or 6. Harvest, rinse, and refrigerate. Day 7. Add a half cup to a meal. Then start a new batch so you never run out. 2 jars in rotation keep you supplied forever. Let's sum it up. Broccoli sprouts contain 10-100x more sulforaphane than adult broccoli. Sulforaphane activates NRF2, your body's repair and detox system. It supports inflammation balance, brain and heart health, blood sugar, and cellular protection. You can boost it naturally with mustard seed powder or a warm water rinse. Grow it yourself in 5 days for pennies a serving. That's real, science-backed nutrition made simple. If this video helped you, subscribe for more science-based health content that actually works. Like this video to help it reach more people. Comment below what country you're watching from, and share this video with someone who needs a natural, affordable way to boost their health. I'll see you in the next one. Stay healthy, stay consistent, and keep growing.